Step 1. Using a pencil, mark where you will be placing your brackets. The middle bracket should be measured to the centre of the end mount brackets. Use the holes in the brackets as a guide for where to draw your markers. Step 2. Drill pilot holes where you have marked the brackets. The pilot holes are used as a guide for where the screws will be fixed. Step 3. Using the pilot holes as a guide, screw your brackets into the window frame. Step 4. With the brackets successfully secured, clip the blind into place. Step 5. Carefully secure the cord tidy clip. It should be placed a minimum of 1500 millimeters above the floor. For an easy guide, be sure to drill pilot holes first. Place the clip in a safe position to avoid the Venetians hitting it when operating the blinds. Step 6. Carefully secure the pelmet onto the headrail by hooking it into place. And there you have it. You have successfully installed your brand new timber Venetian blinds.